Y'all, I just hit a special moment in hippiedom. Literally, legit. I pulled Christmas out of my ass. I am shining like a mofo. Out my boho.
Clink!
Boats and hoes, bitches. Boats and hoes. Boats and hoes, bitches. Boats, hoes, and fucking crystals in your booty hole.
Bling bling!
You may be wondering to yourselves, why sunsets in so many? Because they're fucking sunsets, bitches. And free fitty is always free fit.
Both in the house, bitches!
So much more room for activities.